The action camera landscape is evolving at an incredible pace. And right now the spotlight is firmly fixed on one upcoming device that has sparked intense discussion across the creator, travel, and adventure filming communities, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3. A camera that has not yet been officially unveiled, but is already generating serious momentum thanks to credible leaks, insider chatter, and the brand's proven track record of disrupting the market. Because Insta360 has never been content with small incremental updates and instead has consistently focused on redefining what compact cameras are capable of. First by popularizing immersive 360-degree capture and then by aggressively entering the premium action camera space with hardware that prioritized image quality, usability, and innovation. And the Ace Pro 3 appears poised to take that philosophy even further by targeting creators who demand flagship-level performance in a pocket-sized, rugged form factor, especially those producing YouTube videos, cinematic travel vlogs, outdoor sports footage, night cityscapes, and social media content that must stand out in an increasingly crowded algorithm-driven ecosystem, which is why expectations around this camera feel different from normal pre-release hype, as they are grounded in concrete technical rumors suggesting a major leap forward rather than a routine refresh. Starting with what many believe will be a newly developed Leica-tuned CMOS sensor that pushes resolution, dynamic range, and low-light performance beyond what current action cameras can deliver, because sensor size and pixel efficiency matter enormously when filming in challenging conditions like sunsets, forests, indoor environments, or nighttime urban scenes. And the Ace Pro 3 is rumored to address one of the longest-standing weaknesses of action cameras by allowing significantly more light intake, cleaner shadows, reduced noise, and more accurate highlight retention, resulting in footage that looks less digital and more cinematic straight out of the camera, which is particularly important for creators who want professional-looking results without relying heavily on post-production. And this is where the ongoing collaboration with Leica becomes especially important, as Leica's expertise in color science, optical character, and image tuning has already elevated previous models by delivering more natural skin tones, richer contrast, and a subtle visual depth that feels closer to dedicated mirrorless cameras. And with the Ace Pro 3, that partnership is expected to mature further, potentially delivering footage that carries a distinctive visual signature rather than the flat, overly processed look often associated with small sensors, while video capabilities are expected to expand well beyond standard 4K capture into higher resolution formats that enable flexible reframing, cropping, and multi-platform exports for YouTube, Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok without sacrificing clarity, alongside advanced HDR video modes designed to balance bright skies and dark foregrounds more effectively, ensuring scenes retain detail across the entire frame. And for more advanced users, the anticipated inclusion of log profiles would represent a major step forward, allowing creators to capture flat footage that preserves maximum data for color grading, giving them creative freedom to craft cinematic looks, documentary-style realism, or vibrant travel aesthetics depending on their workflow, all powered by a next-generation processor capable of handling these demanding formats while maintaining thermal efficiency, which is crucial for extended recording sessions during long adventures or professional shoots. And high frame rate recording is another area where the Ace Pro 3 is expected to excel, enabling ultra-smooth slow motion in both 4K and Full HD that can transform everyday action into dramatic, emotionally engaging sequences, whether it's extreme sports, wildlife encounters, water splashes, or fast-moving urban scenes. And none of this would matter without top-tier stabilization, an area where Insta360 already has a strong reputation thanks to its flow state technology, which uses advanced algorithms and internal sensors to deliver gimbal-like smoothness without external hardware. And leaks suggest that the next iteration of this stabilization will be even more refined, capable of maintaining horizon leveling and smooth motion during intense activities like mountain biking, skiing, running, or motorcycling, effectively allowing creators to mount the camera anywhere and trust it to deliver usable footage every time, which ties into the broader design philosophy of making the Ace Pro 3 a true set-it-and-forget-it tool that reduces technical friction and lets users focus entirely on the experience rather than camera settings. While on the software side, the integration of smarter AI-driven features could dramatically streamline the content creation process by automatically identifying highlights, optimizing settings based on environment, and assisting with quick edits through mobile apps, making it easier for creators to turn raw footage into publish-ready videos on tight schedules. A crucial advantage in the modern content economy where speed and consistency often determine growth. And audio performance is also rumored to see meaningful improvements through better microphone placement and AI-powered noise reduction aimed at minimizing wind interference and enhancing voice clarity, which would significantly improve vlogging, travel narration, and run-and-gun shooting without the constant need for external microphones. While battery life and charging efficiency are expected to be addressed through higher capacity cells and faster charging support, ensuring longer shooting times and quicker top-ups during travel, reducing anxiety around missing key moments. And all of this is expected to be housed in a more rugged, weather-sealed body with enhanced waterproofing that allows for deeper underwater use without additional housing, appealing to divers, surfers, and adventure travelers who need reliability in extreme conditions. And interestingly, the measured pace of the Ace Pro 3's development suggests a deliberate strategy by Insta360 to refine the product thoroughly rather than rush it to market, giving them time to analyze competitors, optimize performance, and deliver a camera that feels complete at launch rather than dependent on future updates. And when all these rumored elements are considered together, the picture that emerges is not just of another action camera, but of a potential new benchmark for the category. One that blends high-end imaging, intelligent software, robust build quality, and creator-focused usability into a single compact device, positioning the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 as a serious contender for anyone who values image quality, flexibility, and storytelling potential. Because at the end of the day, the real impact of any camera is measured not just by specs but by the stories it enables people to tell. And if these leaks hold true, the Ace Pro 3 could empower creators to capture their world with unprecedented clarity, depth, and emotional resonance, marking another significant step forward in the evolution of action filmmaking. As we wait for official confirmation, pricing details, and a release timeline, knowing that this camera represents more than just new hardware, but a glimpse into the future of compact cinematic storytelling.